Nikolai! Nikolai!
Albert, get my camera. I didn't even take a picture of him yet.
Nikolai! Nikolai! Clapping hands. Clap, clap, clap. Nico, Nico.
Look, look.
You're like a frog. You're big frog. Nico! Nico! Hello! Nico! Yeah, that's it, done. Nico! Nico! Yan, nakita pa din. Nico
Look at the camera. Look.
Look at that egg.
Looking here.
Light. Para maabuan ka nung sirangan na dati. Siguro pagkakausap nila dahil pare-pareho silang mga iwalay sa asawa kasi tagay mo yung asawa na yung pay
I'm getting more entertained by looking at him, not really him.
I'm waiting for.
You guys are eating that like candy. Look at these kids, they're so excited.
Maybe eat it. No. JJ, they're eating your face. Make sure you eat that. They want to see in that class.
Come on. Do something funny. So I can go on America Funny Film videos and work that out, you know. Yeah, look at Hi.
Hello. That's you. That's you there. That's you. So, wala, baka maamuan dadagin, no? Baka may galit ni Kat, tanong ang kananda na gusto. Like pity na the best thing you're having. Yeah, he has no teeth. No teeth? He put his teeth under his pillow.
What did you get? Did the tooth fairy give you anything? Oh, can
Can I see your teeth?
Can I borrow some teeth so I get money from the tooth fairy too? You have more teeth coming out, right?
Yeah, when your other tooth will come out.
Yeah,
You
lend it to
lend
me.
it to Auntie Isabel. Your teeth is ugly. It is ugly, kuya.
Oh, hindi nila lang
Smile. Smile.
Look at it. He's like, let me take one of these two.
Nico, if I have time. Nico. Nico.
Oh, your eyes are closed. Okay, I'll take it. Who's that?
Running out of memory.
You just stop it.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
There, I got it.
Bye-bye.